Welcome to my channel, FS Tech Lab. In today's video we are going to see how to download an ISO file of Windows 11 from Microsoft website. So let's begin. To download the ISO file, open your browser and go to Google search page. Type in Windows 11 ISO download. And press enter. List of links will appear on the search page. Click on the first Microsoft link, that is Download Windows 11. Scroll down. Click on Select Download drop-down and select the Windows 11. Click Download now. Select your preferred language from the drop-down. I am selecting English. Click Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. The download will begin and will be notified as per your browser settings. You can check the download status by clicking on the download button in your browser. Once download is completed, a notification will be shown. That's it for today. Let's meet in my next video. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos.